is going on, Ben Nation? My friends with benefits, my Bens with frenefits. There's two things that really annoy me about cryptocurrency. The first among them is this competition going on between BitBoy Crypto and Frankie Candles over calves. And you look at Frankie Candles' calves and you think, those are the calves of a female CrossFitter. Like, ew. You know what I mean? And second, all of the cool tools that Frankie Candles has to help him navigate this cryptocurrency. Then I look at him and I'm like, you know what? I want the same thing. I want the same thing, but I'm not taking the same tools that he's using, because then I'd be a fanboy, and I'm not a fan of anybody, as we probably see by now. So what I did was I went out and I found a bunch of tools that's going to help us to navigate what is going on with Ben Token to the best of our ability. I still left a few of the spots on my chart. They all actually panned out perfectly, so I removed them because I didn't want you to see, we're moving forward. So let's check out the chart action. You can see right here what we did is we went with trends from Lux Algo, and this red area is going to be your short area, the green area is going to be your long area, and then the blue line right there is going to be your point of control. And then every time you see a break in a move, that's a trend move in a different direction, establishing a new point of control. So we don't have to worry about figuring out what the point of control is every single time and using our tools over here to figure it out. We can actually just sit here on it. Now, with that being the case, we do have this point of control right here. And then what it says is buy signal up here. This is the spot where you make your moves. You decide what you're going to do, by the way, on this. But you have this is the value area low, value area high, point of control. And then down here, what I did is I took the price volume trend, and I took a price volume trend that actually shows green when money's flowing in, red when money's flowing out, keeping it fairly simple for you guys to figure out. So what we're looking at right now is we're still looking at that descending wedge sort of play right there, but now we either have to broaden it and consider some of these tops that we just kind of wick out to, or then we just consider that we've had a breakout. So we're going to need a little bit more time, and we're going to need to establish a new point of control. That point of control right now is right here. So we're going to need to see a move up. Now, are we in a bullish or bearish trend? This right here, these lines coming down here and establishing a new lower point of control tells you that you are in a bearish pattern. What we're looking for is we're looking for confirmation of an uptrend, and we need a couple of these points of controls to move up to establish we're in a new bearish trend, our bullish trend. So there we go. And we got Jackson Hole coming today. So it's possible that we see a quick reversal on a lot of this stuff that's going on. But let's zoom in here a little bit, and you can see in the chart that there's a lot of volatility, but it's not huge. This is we're moving here for some of these candles here that we're making plays on are 33.75 down to 32.71. That's a very small range right now, and this range will not last. By the way, this is not going to go on for very long. This is actually going to be one of those opportunities or positions or situations in which there's going to be a big time reversal coming pretty soon. But this tightening up, which I think you probably wouldn't be surprised if I pulled out Bollinger Bands and I started to show you how tight things are getting right now. Tight usually means that there's going to be a move in one direction or the other. Now, the question you have to ask yourself is, what direction do you think Ben is going to move in right now? So the honest assessment is, well, we don't have any kind of positive news. It's going to tell us that we're headed into this enormous upside unless we get an angel investor coming out of nowhere with his halo cocked to the side, saying things in, I want to say Dubai speak or Arabic or something like that. Like, here we go, something like that. I can't do the accent very well. So, but it's about to, unless we get something like that, that's going to create like a new floor or something like that, then we're destined to continue down towards this channel until such time as we get to September 16. And that's going to be right around here. And then that's where we relaunch on the V2. So, I'm looking at it this way. I would like to see this trend line break. It would be to our benefit, of course, to see this trend line break, because that helps tremendously to continue price support. And there's a lot of people that get frustrated when they see the price coming down. So, it looks like to me that we would be better served, of course, by doing this and getting back up into these ranges up here and establishing a bullish sort of trend, but it's very difficult to see that happen. Also, and in closing, I made I wanted to simplify this, and I made a red and green line. The red line is a slow moving EMA, and the green one is a quick moving EMA. And what you get here is when you get a crossover like this, that tends to mean bullish indicator. So when you get that move, that means that you're in a little bit of a mini uptrend until we get the confirmation again on the points of control. That gives you at least an indicator. Now, if we do this and we get into upside momentum, which as you see right here, we're in upside momentum, this could be a nice indicator. Now, the other thing that I'm going to point out here is that this is moving up as this is moving up. This is moving sideways. They're going to converge, and we're going to be back into a bearish indicator, which means that we could have a bearish retest. So I'm going to be watching these as the day goes on. And by the way, this plays out over a lot of different time frames. You can use it on the 1, the 2, the 4, kind of get an idea of where we're going. You can use it on the 30-minute. By the way, it works on every single one. Look how long we've been in a bear trend or on a sideways trend in this 30-minute channel. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Also, to follow up here, trade volume down 20%. Market been not very great for us so far. We've got the Duchess of DeFi, Cassie herself, out here at joinbencoin.com. Across from MetaMask at Rare Evo in Denver. We've got BitBoy doing the same thing. He's got a live stream today, by the way, today at 2:45 p.m. Make sure you check that out. It's going to have AJ Rice Crypto and Loudmouth ETH. Will it have Bleeves on there? Probably not. Look at that. See that? Oh, it's gross. Like, from like a man. You know what I mean? And that wraps it up. So this is not financial advice. My name is Bleeves. I'm always right. Thank you so much for tuning in. And Ben Nation, it's about to get real serious real soon. Strap yourself in, get ready, because the moon's getting closer. Talk to you again soon.